AAA plus curb appeal, 25k spent on just the exterior landscaping upgrades. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom detached on 36 feet wide and 114 feet deep lot will surely here to impress all the hearts. This is Sanjay Gupta, broker with eXp Realty, proudly presenting 1079 Sprucedale Lane in Dempsey, Milton for sale. Sellers just spent more money on upgrading flooring, bathroom and paint to create that beautiful emotional experience for any picky buyers in this market. I am very excited to present this beautiful single car garage detached home sitting on wide lot. Location is king, guys, and this home is located in the middle of all the amenities. Let's go inside and explore more. This bright foyer leads to loving living room combined with dining to enjoy the friends and family gatherings. Refreshed with neutral paint and having huge windows just gives you sunny experience throughout the home. Family room combined with gas fireplace adds those fun family moments throughout the year. Kitchen with lots of counter space gives the home minister the best cooking experience. On top of that, this kitchen is equipped with granite countertop and all stainless steel appliances, giving that gleaming look throughout. I would say you would flatten out just by seeing the main floor and going to make a purchase offer on this home. You come upstairs through the solid oak stairs, landing in a good size hallway, and you'll find 4 good size bedrooms in all 4 corners. Funny, but what we called master bedroom from hundreds of years cannot be called master bedroom anymore, and it is now called primary or principal bedroom. And this is truly a huge primary bedroom with 5 pieces of total luxury in the ensuite. Since all rooms are in the corner, they get a great deal of sunlight, so you don't feel burning that electricity during the daytime, and sure to get your bones strong by constantly getting that essential vitamin D. Basement is unspoiled and has huge potential for you to work on your imagination to convert into true masterpiece. Overall, this is approximately 2200 square feet home which can serve any growing family. With virtually no good inventory in the market at this price, this house is surely going to make you visit us. We are available for any questions that you may have for this home or any other homes listed in Milton, or to know real estate market in general. Don't delay, guys. Pick up that phone and dial my number at 647-313-7321. Remember to make a smart move with Sanjay. See you at the next listing. Bye-bye.